favorite. Today we're not just going to have food, we're going to have the mood of Italy, passion and flour. I want to cook for us pasta with shrimp and cherry tomatoes. It's easy, quick and very flavorful. And a little bit sexy. Ready? Let's get in the kitchen. I'll show you everything step by step. This is going to be delicious. And while you're watching, I'm already heating up the pasta water. I put the pot on the stove. The water is almost boiling. I add salt. The water needs to be salted generously, like the sea. When it boils, I throw in the pasta. Cook it until it's al dente. Don't overcook it, okay? I like a little bit of stiffness still remains. I add 2-3 spoons of olive oil to the skillet. I finely chop the garlic and throw it in the oil. Immediately such a smell. Can you smell it? It's already whetting your appetite. Now the shrimp. We fry them on both sides, first or second at a time. You can add some white wine. The sizzle on the frying pan is just magical. Cut the cherry in half and add it to the shrimp. Now add a little pepper. You can add chili to spice things up. And let it all stew for another 2-3 minutes to let the tomatoes give juice. Is the pasta ready? I drain the water, but leave a little to dilute the sauce. I throw the pasta directly into the pan with the shrimp and cherry tomatoes. Stir, add a little water from the pasta to make everything tender and juicy. Serve on plate, top with parmesan. You can also add fresh basil and a few drops of olive oil for gloss. This is simply divine. The combination of sweet cherry, sea shrimp and spicy garlic sauce. I will eat this with the two of you, with white wine in lingerie. Or not. Thank you for spending these cooking moments with me. If you want me to cook more, let me know. I can do it in any outfit. Or not. Kisses until the next recipe.